Come and me teach you Patwa now. Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. In this series, I will teach you authentic Jamaican Patois. The first lesson is divided into 3 short sections. The first section is random vocabulary. I will teach you 4 Jamaican words. The second section is the dialogue. I will translate and explain a short, typical Jamaican conversation. And third is your assignment. Hello, this is a school. What do you think? Did I just come here and just left so? No. Anyways, let's begin. Make we start, yeah? Vocabulary. Please listen and repeat. Picnic. Picnic. Tree. Tree. Rose. Rose. Clock. Clock. Now, let's get into the dialogue. So this is part 3. And the background is that Jimmy decides to make some YouTube videos to help non-native Jamaicans understand the Jamaican Patois language. He decides to ask his friend Ray for help. And in the previous sessions, we saw that Ray didn't really want to help. So let's continue with the conversation. So what make you feel move some my youth? Oh, me a move. Ya move like some waste man star. Oh, me a move like waste man. I true you see the brother in a the pretty shirt start the YouTube make ya follow. You too enough man. Okay, let's break down this conversation. So first, so what make you feel move some my youth? So in this case means so. Wamek means why. Yo means you. Afi means have to. A move means to behave or to act, or is behaving or is acting. So in this context means so or like that. My youth is a very versatile term. It can mean so many things. For example, it can mean my child. In this case, though, my youth is a term used to refer to a male, usually of your same peer group or somebody who is younger than you are. So the sentence, so what make you feel move to my youth, would translate, not literally, but the most natural English translation would be, so why are you behaving like this? Or why are you behaving like that? Then Ray responds, oh, me a move. Now let's break this down. Oh means how. Me means I. A means am is are. Like I said, this is the equivalent to the to be verb in English. So together, oh mia would be how am I? And move means behaving or acting, as mentioned before. So, oh me a move would be how am I behaving or how am I acting? But in the most natural English, I think what do you mean would be better, because if someone asked why are you behaving like this, your most natural question would be what do you mean? When Ray asked how may I move, Jimmy responds, you a move like some waste man star. Now let's break this down. You a move like some waste man star. Ya means you. A move means are behaving. Like some means like some or like a. Waste man Now, waste man, this term comes from the English word waste man, or if that's a word, but the English waste and man put together, you get waste man. And this also has many meanings depending on who is saying it, but it's never a good meaning. It's always a negative meaning. And in this case, this means someone of ill character or someone who is up to no good. And star is also another way of referring to people. So you can refer to males or females as stars. This term is usually positive and it shows friendship or camaraderie. So let's look at the sentence. You a move like some waste man star. The most natural translation would be something like you're acting different or you're behaving strange. You could also say you're behaving like someone of low character or something like that. But in a natural conversation, it would be like, why are you acting strange? Why are you behaving like this? I think. The last quote from this conversation. Oh, me a move like waste man. I chew you see the brother in a the pretty shirt start the YouTube make you a follow. You're too enough, man. So let's break this down. This is quite a mouthful. Oh, me a move like waste man means, to the closest English translation, how am I acting strange? Achu means it's because. You see means you see. Di means the. Breda. Breda can mean brother, man, or person. Ina means in. Pretty means colorful or multicolored. And this is one thing I'd like you to take notice of. For emphasis, Jamaicans repeat words, especially adjectives. Shirt means shirt. Start the YouTube means start doing YouTube. Mek, in this case, mek means, the closest translation would be that's why. Mek right here is causal. It's like saying something happened, that's why something else happened. So you'd use mek in the space of that's why. Now, ya is a contraction of yua. So when you contract yua, you get ya. And this means you are. Fala means follow or copy or imitate. You're too enough, man, means you are doing something unnecessary. Now, nof is a term that it's usually negative, and people are usually labeled nof when somebody else thinks that they are being extra, or they are overdoing something, or being inquisitive. It has a lot of meanings, but it's usually negative meanings. Now, the most natural translation for this part of the dialogue would be in Patwa, "Oh me a move like waste man. I chew you see the brother in a the pretty shirt start the YouTube make you a follow. You're too enough, man." So that in English would be, how am I acting strange? It's because you saw the person in the multicolored shirt started doing YouTube. That's why you want to do it too. Please listen to the dialogue one more time and repeat. So I make you feel move some my youth. Oh me a move. Ya move like some waste man star. Oh me a move like waste man. I chew you see the brother in a the pretty shirt start the YouTube make you a follow. You're too enough, man. Alright, now that's the end of that. That was quite a mouthful. So let's get on to the assignment. So today's assignment is, do you think Jimmy was really behaving like a waste man? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. And as always, if you have the time, please read through the comments that are already there. Respond to some of the comments if you'd like the comments to show support for your fellow classmates. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, I upload these short Patwa lessons multiple times per week, so please hit that notification bell so that you never miss an upload. If you would like to increase your Jamaican Patois vocabulary, please follow me on Instagram at shans_Patwa_academy, where I post daily vocabulary. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine.